place and time for us to be living together. Living together, we're learning how to feel our way and work it out from day to day with each other. Living together, we're finding out how strong we are, how really right or wrong we are for each other.
You understand I've got a lot of things to do. You say you'll see me through and make the best of it.